Okay, good morning students. We came to another session in the matrices. Here, observe their example. They are given A and B order of 3 by 2 and this is also order of 3 by 2. Why? Because addition and subtraction is possible if and if both are of same order. Now here, find the x matrix such that 2A plus 3x is equal to 5B. Now, what they are given here? 2A plus 3x is equal to 5B they are given. Now, 3x is equal to 5B minus 2A. Therefore, taking 3 and dividing with 3 on both sides, you are going to get x is equal to 1 by 3 into 5B minus 2A. That means here first you have to find the 5B as well as 2A. 5B means that is a scalar multiple with 5. That means each element of the matrix should be multiplied with 5. You will get this matrix. And 2A, that means scalar multiple of 2 of matrix A. Now that means you have to multiply the each element of A by 2. You are going to get this matrix. Now subtract them, that is 5A minus 2B. That is, if you subtracted, you got the matrix this one. Finally, x is equal to what you have? 1 by 3 into 5B minus 2A and 5B minus 2A, you got this matrix. And take, and each element should be multiplied with 1 by 3. That is, dividing with 3, you are going to get the required matrix. Further, find x and y. This type of questions usually ask for 2 marks. X and y, he asked x plus y and x minus y. You have to go for the solvation of the equation. Now, here, if this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2, add these two. If you add these two, you have to RH also, you have to add these two matrices. Then, what happens? Observe there here, x plus y, x minus y, this plus minus y and plus y gets cancels. And you are going to get this is the addition of the matrices. X plus x is equal to 2x. And both sides you have to multiply with 1 by 2. You are going to get a matrix x is equal to 4, 4, 0, 4. That is also 2 by 2. Similarly, you can go for the from equation 1. You can substitute the x matrix in that one. Otherwise, alternately, what you can do, you go for the subtraction of the equation 1 minus equation 2. You are going to get the y matrix. Here I mentioned 2 ways. Which one you are feel easy, you can go for that one. And here equality matrices problem. Now find x and y if 2 into this matrix is given plus 3 minus 4 1 2 is equal to 7 6 15 14. Then you have to find. That means it is also can be solved in different methods. Simply I am taking second matrix outside and this matrix is multiplied with the 2. Then you got the 2 by 2 matrices on both sides. Now what you have to equate the elements. If you are equated the elements, you are going to get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9. Okay, in this session we are entering into the one of the most important concept, multiplication of matrices, that is product of two matrices. Now let A and B are the two matrices. The product of the matrices A and B, that is multiplication of matrices A and B, is denoted by AB and defined if and only if condition is there. Number of columns in the matrix A should be equal to number of rows in the matrix B, and it is defined as it is a matrix whose elements are sum of the product of elements of row with corresponding element of column. That implies if let A be the matrix of m by n and B should be the matrix. So observe there, how many columns are there here? N columns are there. In the matrix B, n rows should be there. Therefore, here number of columns is equal to number of rows. Then let C be the product of A and B. Now what is the order of the E you are going to get? Means m by P order you are going to get. Now what were you obtaining? You are obtaining a matrix of order m by P. Then here what is that? CIK if you are taken, this is the sum of the product of the row and column. This is the elements of the row first row and this is the elements of the first column. Now that is nothing but CIK, any element in the matrix is sigma is equal to sigma Aij plus Bjk. Students, here I am taking video in the fields. Actually, we are getting the sounds, different sounds in my village where I am staying. That's why I came to outside of the village and taking our lesson here. Now, here I am moving to the multiplication of matrices. Here I am taking simple two matrices, that is A and 2 by 2 matrix. Now, in the definition we have discussed that, what we have discussed, observe there, the product of the two matrices is possible if and only if number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Now we are finding that resultant matrix. Observe there, A, B is equal to what you are going to get. Observe there. Now first element, what do you know? A11. A11 means first row, first column. Now this is the first row and this is the first column. Therefore here what you are going to get. Observe there, first element with first element, that is 1 dot 4 plus 2 dot 2. Next element is A12, first row, and this is second column, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Later next one is the second, that means what is this element? This is the 2A21, that means second row, first column, that is, and here second row, no, what you are going to get? 3 dot 4 plus 4 dot 2 for the second element, and that is the last element A22, that is second row, second column, that is 3 dot 3 plus 4 dot 1. 3 dot 3 plus 4 dot 1. Now what you are going to get. Observe there, here 4 plus 4, and next one is 3 plus 2, next one is 3 4 is 12 plus 8, next one 3 3 is 9 plus 4. Then you are going to get another matrix, that is 8, 5, 20 and 13. Observe, now what is the order you are going to get? Now this is M by P. Now this is 2 by 2 matrix. Again you got, this is the matrix A, B. Similarly I am finding here BA also possible here. Now BA is equal to what you are going to get. Observe there, first I tried the matrix B, 4 3 2 1 into A, 1 2 3 4. Now first element is first row with first column. Now what is the first row here? Is the 4 3. What is the first column here? 1 3. Now what you are going to get? 4 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Next one is the first row, second column, that is 4 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Next one is second row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Next one is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4. Now again what you are going to get. Observe there, this is you are going to get 4 plus 9, next 8 plus 12, next one is 2 plus 3, this is 4 plus 4. Now what you got? Observe there, here 13, 20, 5, 8. This also order is the 2 by 2. But observe there, what is the AB? 8, 5, 20, 13. What is the B? Here 13, 25, 8. That means clearly what you can write? AB does not equal to BA. Here another example I am taking here. Observe there, 1 4 2 5 3 6 and 1 2 1 3 5 2 4 6 is the 3 by 2 matrix, and this is 2 by 3 matrix. Now here what I am getting. Observe there, number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore multiplication of matrices is possible. Now first row with first column, 1 dot 1 plus 4 dot 2 and 1 dot 3 plus 4 dot 4. Next 1 dot 5 plus 4 dot 6. Similarly second row, first column, 2 dot 1 plus 5 dot 2. Second row, second column, 2 dot 3 plus 5 dot 4. Second row, third column, 2 dot 5 plus 5 dot 6. Next third row, first column. Third row, first column is 3 dot 1 plus 6 dot 2. Next 3 dot 3 plus 6 dot 4. Next third row, third column, 3 dot 5 plus 6 dot 6. Now we should multiply these all and add these. Now 1 plus 8, 3 plus 12, next 5 plus 24, next 2 plus 10, 6 plus 20 and 10 plus 30, next 3 plus 12, next 9 plus 24, 15 plus 36. Here what you are going to get, observe there further, 1 plus 8, 9, 15, 29, 12, 26, 30, 15, 33, and this is for 51. That is the matrix of 3 by 3. Now here 1 plus 8 and 3 plus 16 and 5 plus 24. Further observe the next one, what you are going to get, 2 plus 10, 6 plus 20, 10 plus 30, 3 plus 12, 9 plus 24, 15 plus 36. Further here what you are going to get, 3 plus that is 1 plus 8, 9, and here you are going to get 19, 29 and 12, 26, 30, 15, 33, 51. That is 3 by 3 matrix. In the same case we are going to verify, observe there, that is BA matrix. Now BA, now what is the B matrix is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Next matrix A is, what is the matrix A? Observe there, 1, 2, 3 column wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now observe the matrix of order. What is this order of the matrix? This order of the matrix is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 2. Number of columns is equal to number of rows. Here also multiplication of matrices is possible. Again you have to go for the matrix. Now again what is the matrix order you are going to get? 2 by 2 matrix you are going to get. That's why now what you are going to get, A12, A11, A12, A21, A22. Now first row, first column, first row with first column, what you are going to get, observe there, 1.1 plus 3.2 plus 5.3. Next one is a first row with second column, that is 1.4 plus 3.5 plus 5.6. Next one is 2.1 plus 4.2 plus 6.3. Next one is 2.4 plus 4.5 plus 6.6. Now multiply these two. If you are multiplied, what you are going to get, 1 plus 6 plus 15, and this is 4 plus 15 plus 30. Next one is 2 plus 8 plus 18. Next one is 8 plus 20 plus 36. Now add these all. If you add these all, what you are going to get, this one is 15 plus 6, 21, 22, and this is 45, 49, and this one is 10, 28, and this one is that is 38 plus 36 plus 8, 44 plus 20, 64. That is, this is 2 by 2 matrix you got. Observe there clearly from our example also, AB is the 3 by 3, this is the 2 by 2, therefore AB does not equal to BA. The same matrices we are going to find out BA. Now what is a B? 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, and A is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. That is, a matrix B is 2 by 3 matrix and matrix B A is 3 by 2 matrix. Number, observe their number of columns is equal number of rows, hence multiplication of matrices is possible. Now you are taking first row with first column, this is you are going to get, and first row with second column, and second row with first column, second row with second column. That is, now what is the order you are going to get? 2 by 2, no? Now A11, A12, A21, A22. Here after multiplication you are going to get 22, 49, 28, 64. That is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now AB is the 3 by 3 matrix and BA is 2 by 2 matrix, hence AB does not equal to. Now another example I am taken, A is equal 1, 2, 3, that is a column matrix, and B is the row matrix 4, 5, 6. Now what is the order of this one? Is the 3 by 1 and this is 1 by 3. Now first I am going to calculate AB. Now AB is equal to, what is the A matrix? Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, and matrix B is 4, 5, 6. Now what is the order of this one? Is 3 by 1. Order of this one is 1 by 3. Now this is 1 and this is 1. That means number of columns is equal to number of rows. Hence multiplication of matrices is possible. And what is the order of the matrix you are going to get? Observe there, 3 by 3 you are getting. Now first one is the A11. That means first row, first column. That is nothing but 1.4. Next first row with second column, that is nothing but 1.5. Next 1.6. Next one is the 2.4. Next one is 2.5. Next one is 2.6. Next one is third row, first column one, that is 3.4 plus 3.5, 3.6. Now what you are going to get observed here? This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now what you are going to get observed here? 1 4 the 4, 8 and 12. Next 5, 10, 15. Next 6, 12, 18. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Another matrix, this is the BA. Now what is the order of the B? Observe there, this is only one row and what observe there, this is one row and 3 columns, and this is 3 rows and 1 column. That means your multiplication number of columns is equal to number of rows, hence multiplication of matrices is possible. But here observe there, what is the order of the matrix you are going to get? 1 by 1, that is the singleton matrix you are going to get. That is, observe there, 4.1 plus 5.2 plus 6.3. Now that is 1 by 1 matrix, that is nothing but 4 plus 10 plus 18, that is equal to, now what you are going to get? 18 plus 10, 28 plus 4, 32. That is the 1 by 1 matrix you are going to get. Now clearly, what is the AB? AB is the 3 by 3. BA is the 1 by 1 matrix. Therefore, AB does not equal to BA. Further, I am added so many examples. Observe their same matrices. I am reversed that one. Here A is equal to I am taken 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to I am taken 4, 5, 6. And similarly, here I am taken one matrix P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and Q is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. Just now we are solved that one. And here M is equal to 1 minus 1. This is the textbook question we are given, and we determine the M, N as well as N, M. And observe that what you are going to get, M, N does not equal to NM. And clearly here 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, while you are saying solving that one, be careful that you are going to get answer result also one 3 by 3 matrix. And observe that CD does not equal DC. And one of the most important concept here, X is equal to what they are given, A, B, C, D they are given, Y is equal to X, Y, Z, P, Q, R and M, N, S they are given. What is the order? This is the 3 by 3, this is the 2 by 2. Now here number of rows does not equal to number of columns, that's why XY also not possible and YX also not possible. Next one I am taken, one is the 2 by 2 matrix and one 2 by 3 matrix. Now AB you are taken, this one is the number of rows is equal to number of columns, number of columns is equal to number of rows, therefore it is possible, and you determine the AB. AB what you got? Observe there again, this is the 2 by 3 matrix you got. But now when you come to the BA, now when you come to the BA, B is the 2 by 3 matrix, A is the 2 by 2 matrix. Number of columns here 3, number of rows are 2, hence BA is not possible. And usually observe there, in usual numbers AB is equal to 0 means either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0, but in the matrices not like that. Now observe there, here AB is equal to 0, that is AB is equal to O, then need not to be A and B are 0 matrices. Observe the following example. If I am taken one column is 0 and one is row is 0, ultimately if I am taken, what you got? AB is all 0, that means matrix O you got, that means null matrix you got, but neither A matrix is null matrix or nor B matrix is null matrix. This is the condition of the multiplication of matrices.